I had contemplated not doing this just because it sounds so stupid, but here's the issue. We just redid the transmission in this, put a new one in, and took the fuse box out, put it back in. We missed one of the powers to the box, got that back together, checked all the fuses, checked the 50 amp fuse in the trunk. You know, we had the battery tested and everything was good. We've tried to jump it. We've pretty much tried everything. Taking the battery cable off, trying the 30-minute key relearn process. And this is the problem we get. So, stick the key in. And clutch in, okay? I'm going to turn the car on. And of course, there's a little security light. And it goes off, saying the trunk's ajar, which it is. Just kidding, it's a trunk, but it's open. And I'm going to hit it, and this is what's going to happen. Everything just pretty much dies. So, I did the 30-minute relearn this morning, and that did nothing. We've taken the battery cables off. We didn't let it sit for overnight. We took them off and held them together, and that did nothing. Yeah, not sure what to do next, if anyone has any suggestions, except besides, like, you know, taking it to a GM dealer and being like, hey, we have a problem. It might not even be fuse box related. It could be something like the clutch switch went out, or I don't know. But yes, these are the chipped keys. And yeah, don't know what the issue is. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And it'd be greatly appreciated because this needs to be back on the road like 4 days ago. Thank you.